Wow, okay, where to start? I guess the main differences between off-the-shelf solutions, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, and Volusion, and getting a web development company to build a bespoke solution specific to your needs, will tend to fall into four main areas. The first is design. With off-the-shelf, you're generally limited to a fixed set of templates, resulting in sites that can look very, very similar to each other. Whereas Bespoke will give you much more flexibility about having a completely custom design. Then you've got speed of delivery. As you might expect, Bespoke solutions will take time to build and test, whereas you can set up an online solution like Shopify pretty quickly. Then you've got costs. Bespoke solutions tend to be a larger upfront investment, with ongoing costs generally only being incurred when you want to make changes, whereas off-the-shelf solutions generally favour a subscription type of plan with a monthly fee or sometimes even a share of the profits. However, that won't include any apps or third-party extensions which you may want to add. Finally, you've got functionality, and this is the biggest, can also be the most confusing. Whilst the core e-commerce functionality of allowing your customers to view your products, add them to a basket, and purchase them is consistent across all solutions, everything else is up for grabs. From discount codes and delivery options at the point of purchase, through to videos and reviews on your product pages, viewing an order history and allowing a placement of repeat orders, remarketing emails for abandoned baskets, the list goes on. Off-the-shelf solutions will generally offer a fixed set of these functions, with more or less of them being available depending on how much you want to pay. However, the way these solutions work is by building a general case that they think will work for everyone who needs to use it. However, if you don't fit into this general case and need something slightly different, you'll be stuck. You only ever get what they're willing to give you. As an example, let's say your business is selling pens. If you just have a couple of pens with different colour ink, then an off-the-shelf solution might work well for you. After all, you'll just have a couple of different SKUs, one for each colour. And selling products like this is a straightforward task that pretty much all e-commerce solutions are built to handle. But let's say that instead your business is selling pens where customers can tell you what kind of colour ink they want, perhaps by telling you a Pantone colour reference or by sending you a swatch like Dulux do with their paint. Maybe the pens can be engraved with a message or a design. Suddenly you're in a non-standard situation that most off-the-shelf solutions can't really handle very well. What now? Well, this is exactly where bespoke solutions excel, as they're built to meet the exact requirements of your business, and they're therefore able to address the various special cases that are unique to you. Now, this is particularly true for the back office of the site, where functionality can be implemented to help you manage the various aspects of your business, such as order fulfillment, accounting, stock management, returns, customer engagement, etc., etc. The list goes on. Hopefully that helps to explain some of the differences between off-the-shelf and bespoke e-commerce software. But if you still have some questions or just want to talk to someone about what's right for you, then get in touch and have a chat with one of our e-commerce experts.